Okay. So today we will discuss about Oracle Applications Manager. Okay. So in your Oracle Application Manager, you can do basic managing kind of things related to your application. So you can manage workflow kind of things. You can check what are all the utilities which are licensed. You can download patches. You can check concurrent requests.
Santosh, your voice is a little bit lower.
Now is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, with the help of Oracle Application Manager, you can do multiple tasks, not only single tasks. You can do workflow kind of activities, and you can check licensing related issues. You can also download patches using Oracle Applications Manager, and you can see whether all the concurrent managers are up and running, and you can check the status of the requests, concurrent requests, and multiple things. Okay, you can download patches. You can download and keep all the patches at a patch download location. You can do all these things. Okay, so today we will
Logs
see.
also you can see.
Yeah.
Okay, no, that's good. No, instead
Okay,
of logging the
Santosh,
server.
what
Yes.
is the difference between system administration and system administrator? There are two menus, right?
See, there
That's
will
it.
be see in your system administrator, you'll be seeing couple of menus. These menus. Okay. So coming to your
Okay.
system administration, there'll be separate kind of things. Most of the things will be same. So here diagnostic things have been added.
Okay.
But most of
Here
the
it
time
is
will go
not
in
there.
this.
System administrator only. Because system administrator
Okay.
will have more things. It depends actually.
Okay.
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 So in Oracle Applications Manager, you will be seeing workflow. So we will discuss workflow at the end. So now we will discuss about license manager. So your license manager using your license, is license manager completed for you? No, right?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. So with the help of your license manager, you can enable licenses and you can disable licenses. Okay. So as of now, let us assume if your customer is going with limited products. Okay, licensed with limited products. After some days, if you wish to license other products also, then with the help of license manager, you can enable the license. Okay. So when you click on license manager, once when you click on license manager, it will take you to the new window. Okay, basically I have opened it a new tab. So you can see the license products. It means, so if you want to license, okay, so go back. If you want to license any product, you can click here. If you want to license any country specific functionality, you can click here. If you want to license any language, you can click here. If you want to see report, what is report? Report means it will show what the data is, right? So it will show you what exactly have been applied to your system. It means if you click on reports licensed products, it will show you what are all the products which are licensed products.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Okay.
by default, this is just a vision instance. So there is no proper license over here. So
Okay.
see, the licensed products are 90 products. The non-licensed products are 85 products, and shared products are 26. Shared products are the products which doesn't require any license. Okay.
Okay. So it will come almost near 200.
Yeah, it will come almost near
Yeah.
200.
Okay.
Okay.
Share don't require any license. Okay. So
These
here
are all.
XML related will be there.
Uh-huh.
XML, yeah, XML gateways. That is also kind of license or
Yeah,
is
that
it
is
an
also a kind
interface
of
looks?
license. Yes. So see, as of now, you are seeing the product status is licensed. You can click on license to see the licensed products. You can click over here.
Mhm.
These are all the products which are licensed. To go further, you can click next 25. Okay.
Mhm.
So like this. So to check non-licensed products, you can click here. These are all the products which are not licensed. And to
Okay.
click on shade, click on shade to see which
Don't
are all
require.
shade products. AD. AD comes under ATG, right? This is shade product.
Okay, not required any
Not
license.
require any license. It means the customer don't need to take a license
Pay
separately
the.
for this. AU,
Mhm.
application utilities. These are the things. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to enable license, so again go here, go to click on license manager. So license. So whatever you want to license. If you want to see the report, which are all the license, which are not licensed, you can click over here. If you want to license any language, click on here. Select whatever the language you just want to enable license for.
So if you take Hindi, if it is Hindi is there, so the entire EBS will be look in Hindi.
But you have to change the look and feel for that. So the customer, that particular user have to change his profile option. There'll be a lot of things what you have to change.
Okay, even a particular user also can change on the site level or
Yeah,
the.
I think
So once
Hindi is not there. Hindi is not available.
license,
Uh, okay.
Italian, Spanish, Brazilian, Portuguese, others will be there, but Hindi is not there.
Okay. So American English.
So that is what the license manager will do. Okay. So with the help of
Mhm.
license manager, you can see the reports which are all licensed and non-licensed, and you can also enable and disable the licenses. License. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Next, patching and utilities. Under patching and utilities, if you give, you can search whether any patch got applied or not. Okay. So enter the patch number over here and click on go. It will show you if the patch is applied or not. If the patch is not applied, you can apply. Okay. So
Okay.
basically your
So
developers will use this patch wizard in order to know whether the patch is applied or not. Okay.
okay.
They some people will not be having the data backend database access. Some people will be having. So the people who don't have the backend access will be checking from here. So it will return whether the patch has been applied or not. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
so when you
So
say without
yeah,
providing information, go will dispatches, right?
yeah, yeah.
No, no, you just press go, Santosh.
Okay.
Okay, okay. No such conduct. Okay.
These are all the
You
patches
applied,
which
na?
we applied in last 60 days. On July
Uh-huh.
25th we have applied, right? Today is August 25th.
Yeah.
Exact 1 month back.
Exact 1 month back we are discussing about patching.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So applied patches and next patch wizard. If you go for patch wizard, click on go. So you can see with the help of patch wizard, you can download the patches. Okay. So click on tasks. So here you have to select your Metalink credentials. You have to submit your Metalink credentials, and
Mhm.
there'll be one place where you can download all the patches to one location.
Okay, in which server it will download if you selected here and you started download. So
It will
is there
serve.
any
It will
particular
download to main server, admin server.
admin server? Okay.
Yeah. If you want to merge all the downloaded patches, you can click select over here.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, DBA will be downloading patches and he will be applying. So we will not be using all these options. So this will be used by some developers. Here you can submit your Metalink credentials. Okay. So and you can also give your proxy server details if there are any things. Metalink user ID, password, and email. Okay. And
Yeah. So generally you won't use this site, na? Means directly you will go there in the MOS site and you
yes, we
download.
will go. We will directly going to MOS and we will be downloading. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can set the location where you want to download all the patches.
Mm-hmm. Staging
Okay.
directory.
So it is this. So set download merge and stage area preferences. Click on the tasks and select your directory location where you want to download. Click on Metalink credentials to submit the username and password. for your Metalink. It will automatically download. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is nothing but your patching and utilities. Next you can click on concurrent requests. So based on the request ID, you can fetch information here also. So basically, you'll be fetching this information from the forms interface. But there is one more interface, Java interface. Using this Java interface also, you can get the request IDs and their request IDs information. Okay. So based on the request ID or based on the manager, based on the request name, based on any criteria, you can get the information. This is the same for your concurrent managers. Here also you can see what are all the managers defined and what are all the managers which are running, the actual and target. So actual running, target is nothing but how many it has to run. Okay.
So actual and target, right? So uh, so which one it should go less also fine?
If anything, if it goes less, it is not fine.
Okay, okay. Actual
Basically
target.
your
Okay.
actual will go down.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, your actual should be equal to target. So sometimes your actual will go down. At that point of time, you have to troubleshoot. What is the log file location for your concurrent managers?
Log file. First long concurrent manager. Concurrent manager log file. Apple says okay. Okay. After the Apple says the Apple is log. The other two is an
India, I need to recall.
कई बार लिखने का यार बहुत बुरा है.
Here you can check the applications usage. Okay, so you can click on anything, suppliers. So basically, we will not be going to all these things, but there is some option. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Configuration. Nothing we have to. Nothing is there to do over here from our end. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing what you have to do, if you're unable to if any end user is unable to connect to your Oracle applications, the first and foremost thing what you have to do is you have to check for access log and error log file. Okay. So most of the errors will get noticed in access log and error log file. So if you are unable to find information in access log and error log file, you have to check for the SSL underscore engine underscore log file size. So if SSL engine log file size reaches 2 GB, so your Apache will go to hung state and it will not accept any new request. So if it is 2 GB or more, you can touch this file as this is a log file. Okay. So if still you are unable to find issues, relate any errors noticed in these three files, you can go back to one directory and you can see OPMN. Okay. So under OPMN also you'll be seeing some log files. So opmn.log, so OA core log, OA core 2 log, OAFM log, OA forms log. So these are all the individual JVM logs, individual OC4J logs. So you can check for some errors in these logs also. Okay? So these logs are meant to write the errors.
Okay. Now we couldn't able to open the URL. No, that also will be recorded here. No, no.
90% it will see until and unless there is a configuration change. Okay. So till today it is working fine. From tomorrow if it is not working fine, then you can check for these log files. If from starting itself it is not working, then you have to see where the configuration went wrong.
Okay. Okay. Cool.